To rival the Bharat Jodo Yatra, another yatra has been planned by the current government in order to have a massive outreach for the rural India. This is the Grameen Samvad Yatra. It will consist of many raths, and these raths will have dual purpose, not only advertisement but also enrolling the beneficiaries from approximately 2.5 lakh gram panchayats in certain key central schemes. We are going to detail out each and everything about the Grameen Samvad Yatra. Do not worry about the notes because I provide the notes through my Telegram channel, that is by the name of Pooja Divedi UPSC. If you have any queries regarding this examination, you can talk to me on my Instagram. So, before Lok Sabha polls, Modi government plans countrywide Rath Yatra. And this Rath Yatra will be beneficial. Many a times it happens that so many schemes are running by the government of India, but we lag behind on the knowledge of it. So this government will try to enroll the Gram Panchayats, every person of the Gram Panchayat, so that nobody gets left behind. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, as this government's motto goes. Let's know about the intricate details of it. It's a mega outreach program. That means it will cover many villages across to showcase the achievements of the current government. First purpose of the dual purpose is that. Second, enrolling new beneficiaries to ensure saturation coverage of central schemes. Saturation coverage means 100% coverage. Each and every person of a particular gram should be enrolled where he can or where she can be. This is saturation. 1500 ruts will be equipped with GPS and drones to conduct the analysis. Also, it will cover over 2.5 lakh gram panchayats across the country. It's based on the concept of whole of government approach. What is whole of government approach means? That means the country is not only the urban country but also the rural country. Massive governance is needed in rural India. The rural India is the part that gets left behind. So a whole of government approach is being taken. Also, it will be a 2-month long exercise. We do not know about the dates as of yet, from when it is starting, but the probable months could be October, November this year itself. The Prime Minister's office and ministries in charge of key schemes such as PM Kisan, PM Mudra Yojana, PM Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Awas Yojana, and recently launched PM Vishwakarma Yojana will be involved in this exercise, so that farmers, MSMEs, entrepreneurship, Jan Dhan Yojana, financial inclusivity, PM Awas Yojana, providing them livable houses, recently launched PM Vishwakarma Yojana, that is taking into consideration workers from both rural and urban India to provide them incentivized loans so that their generations of the family, whatever craft they have practiced, it doesn't get wiped out from their family, providing them proper loans so that they can continue with their handicraft. So this has been launched only this year on 17th September itself on the Vishwakarma Divas. September 23rd, this decision was undertaken and a meeting was being conducted by Amit Khare, who is an advisor to the Prime Minister. Recently, the extension for his tenure has also been undertaken. He is an IAS officer. Someday you can be this person too. Moving on. Apart from the GPS and the drone system, the ruts will consist of LED display screens and preloaded audio visual content, and this will be a greeting message from the Prime Minister. It will highlight the major central schemes. It will also demonstrate innovations and new technologies so that each and every person from rural India can know about it, take the benefit of it. And each Rath is expected to cover 3 gram panchayats daily. Also, there will be 4 to 5 officials who will accompany each Rath, and these officials will facilitate eligible beneficiaries to get enrolled in the scheme, making them aware about the scheme. They will also provide on-the-spot grievance redressal. That means if any village is falling or lagging behind of something, the administrators there will have to be on their toes because grievance will be on the spot. It will go direct to the department. So this will be in a true sense, reaching in a very outreach in a very decentralized manner. The pre-recorded messages will be from the Prime Minister, and it will end with a video conference with VVIPs and other participants. Elected representatives, beneficiaries of the scheme, members of self-help groups and farmers producer organization will also be involved in this entire process. Now, how will the people of the villages know that a Rath has to come? Before a Rath arrives, probably a day before it, a cultural program is likely to be organized a day before in whatever village the Rath is going to visit. And there will be certain schemes and themes. Specifically, if I talk about the theme is Dharti Kahe Pukar Ke. This will have an outreach for the judicious use of chemical fertilizers, because chemical fertilizer over a period of time makes the soil bereft of any happy and good nutrients. And how to use organic manure, this also will be provided for. And the Ministry of Culture will be roped in to train approximately 7,500 performers or troops of performers for this particular cultural program. So people will get entertainment and also knowledge at the same time. Now the key central schemes right now, how do they stand? Jal Jeevan Mission, that wants to provide tapped clean drinking water to every household in the village. Fixed tap water, budget is 70,000 crores, beneficiaries is over this much. Then we have Ayushman Bharat, that provides universal health coverage, so that out of pocket expenses of those who are in need doesn't happen so much. 7,200 crore. PM Awas Yojana, 54,487 beneficiaries are a lot. PM Kisan 60,000 crore and PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana 2 lakh crore is the budget. So this is a massive outreach program. It will serve the purpose of the current government as well as the people of India. This is or can be seen as a rival of the Bharat Jodo Yatra as well. Now, the P2I batches have already been launched. If you haven't yet taken admission in any of the batches, you can take admission in the P2I batch. This is an evening batch, that means it started from the 22nd of September, and it will culminate, the admissions will culminate on 30th of September. So make sure you take admission by using the code PDLive. Thank you so much for watching.